Can you save view once photos on WhatsApp? Hello everyone, welcome to another tutorial. In this video, we are going to be seeing if you are able to save the WhatsApp's view once photos on your device. But before getting started, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Also turn on the bell icon so you don't miss out on any of our new uploads. Now let's jump right in. So the first thing you would need to do is open up your WhatsApp. And if there are any view once photos sent to you, for example, this one right here, what you need to do now is just open the photo. But if you try to take screenshot of the picture, it won't work. And once you close this photo, it will be gone forever. So there is no direct way to save a view once photo. So if you tap on this view once icon right here, it says that it will disappear from the chat after you close it. And also you cannot share it, forward, copy, save, or take screenshot of it. And it also includes screen recording, so you guys probably are seeing a black screen. So there is no way to save this view once photo. Even if you try to take a screenshot of it, it won't work. It says the app does not allow it. And if you are trying to use any third-party apps or third-party recorders, then I recommend you don't use it because it might be malicious and your device might be affected by it. So that's it for this video, guys. I hope you found it helpful. I'll see you guys on the next one.